Look at this. That he's jumping and his sign broke and bright. I think it's broke. I don't know what's that. And also with the hills or mountains, like I don't know. Hey, they cannot see it very well.
Because you must come in. Come here. Don't zoom it out. Come in here.
Like that.
Like that.
And here's the one. She's bowing like that. There's like she's
So about
like
of all
jumping. Like
wait,
like
of all the pictures, what is your favorite?
my picture favorite is this one definitely.
How about you, other princess? Of all the pictures, what is your favorite? Wow.
And here's
Do you find it nice?
and here's another picture of the two mountains. Do you like that, you guys? And there's also one of my favorite. Here's another one that you like the mountains, I mean the fall. And the like a little mountain with a cave.
That's not a cave, it's a pathway.
Oopsie.
Stop that video now.
No, I don't want. Look at my shadow, you guys.
What?
Look at my shadow. Hey, look.
Oh, you're playing with the shadow, huh?
Hey, there's a cell phone shadow.
Stop it now.
Look at my shadow, you guys.
What? Stop it now.
But I haven't seen my shadow.
Stop it now.